Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Today's adventure continues on. We on a mission today, guys. This is not your normal fishing content like I normally do. Rasta day and I build in same way. We have other agenda here, but I don't know if the camera shy or not, so we're not going to put it on the camera and tell them where this is. You see me? So, heading out today, guys. Going on a mission. St. Elizabeth is the journey, destination. And we're going to pick up some materials to do some construction. So, special material is a special kind of touch that comes from St. Elizabeth, which is very strong material. We use waterproofing roofing. That's the natural roofing that really won't take away from your natural environment too much and keeps things nice and, how we say, green. Alright? So, take you guys on a journey with me today, and I'm going to record clips along the way, the journey and places that we're going to go to and pass through and stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Stopped in part of the journey now, and we stopped to get some breakfast because we haven't eaten nothing yet. So I said I'm gonna grab something to eat and something to drink real quick. So we stopped at this one spot, Copper Pot, in Mount Pele, St. James. So if you pass in on this side, Copper Pot, there's wood fire cooking and awesome food here, guys. So you can see how the setup is. Big up to Chucker always. Yeah. So they do original coal fire cooking and food and breakfast and all these things and soup and everything. So them are them food here, guys. And your fried dumpling and something there. So yeah, man. So if you're in this area, make sure you stop and check Copper Pot out and come in and just link them on. See bad Indian around there, so we do the chefings, and general around there to do the chefing. You can come in and order your breakfast, fresh porridge and soup and curry chicken and frank and beans and all kinds of things, guys. So come in, check it out. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here, so we're gonna get some food, eat some food, and then hit the road hardcore outside. Yeah, guys. So this is where it's at. Copper Pot, fried saltfish and beans, and fried dumplings. So munching on this right now. Then we're gonna head down the road and see what we can do. All right, stay tuned. Going to the orange walls at Mount Pele now, guys. Over here to the left, you can see that micro dam up there. Here, shore fishing. So we reached. Yo, Coco, I'm up on the bridge, you know. Wait there. Alright, I'm there, man. Yeah, guys. So, here, guys. So, sorry about that. We just reached Braze River. We're at the river. Look how nice that is. Nice river going up line. And then it goes back across this road. I used to pull sugarcane through here, guys. This is one of my original sugarcane route. We came down here to pick up some construction material, some touch. St. Elizabeth touch. Cool, man, there, bro. Then I place, bro. A cocoa them there, that's all. Yeah, so we here, guys. Everybody's yelling me up. You don't know. You come from this area. This is what's up. So, this is our place, guys. Yeah, I'm getting calls in. Stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. In Braze River, St. Elizabeth, Elam. Yeah, alright, guys. So this is the touch that we're picking up, construction material. So it was actually picked. That's the catch trees right there. They're all over the place here in St. Elizabeth. So they picked them and cut them for us to do some kind of roofing with them for a project that we have upcoming. So we had to come all the way down here and pick these up. Alright, guys? So bless up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us for Jamaican Shore Fishing. Stay tuned for the rest of the exciting epic journey. You got bread and cocoa, see you now. Cocoa there in building. Original Rastafan Braze River. Make sure you come link the Regin. Regin do whole heap of cook-ups down here. So I did restaurant and thing going. So link him anytime when I come to Braze River. I do cook-ups. So
yeah, man.
Anything, is it?
Right, funny, you know?
Yeah, just like that. Yeah, guys. So, yep, we're at the train lines and almost hitting Appleton Estates. back out to get back home. We cut a shortcut instead of going back around on the long route with the traffic. So we're going to the country bush. So trying to get you guys a scene. About to go around the next corner, you'll see it. You see the beauty of this, guys. Check this out. Look at that. Wow. If I had shown it to you from the other ends, you'll see the different colors of the fields that are in front of you, and the mountains and everything blending together. So it looks awesome. I used to love looking at this coming off the hill with the trucks, and just going back to Alberton when I'm heading back in to load up and stuff. So this is Rhyme. How beautiful that looks. Awesome cane fields. Original cane fields. I don't know what they're doing with them now, but I see some of them planted up different stuff. So stay tuned, guys. We're on this journey together. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. So stay tuned, guys. We're doing it. Taking our time heading back in. Guys, so stopped off on Rasta ends, so he can check his fam real quick and do whatever. So I'm actually walking down the lane that he went down, and the view from here, looking at the fields and cane fields and stuff of St. Elizabeth, guys. Check this out. This is totally awesome. Awesome nature down here, guys. Real country. Real country. Yeah. So that's an aki tree right there that's bearing up pretty good too. And it's actually got, nope, there's no is there? I don't see any open ones on it yet. Yep, there's a few open ones up top. And this is actually bearing pretty good, guys. So fresh Aki's Jamaican fruit. Oh, there goes one that's open. So when you know that the Aki's ready, this is what it looks like. Opens up like this, so you can pick this one. But the one that are closed, you can't pick it because you'll get poisoned and you'll get real sick and probably die. So when you pick Aki's, you got to be open like that. And I've seen a few of them on here open. So if you get like a half dozen, you can get a meal, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's what's up. So yeah, guys, this is it. Country life. Weeping willow trees, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned for the rest of the adventure, guys. We're going to stop a few more spots, heading out, and I'll get a few more clips of you guys for this adventure. It's actually traveling around Jamaica to different parishes, picking up stuff. So stay tuned outside. Actually, we stopped again to get some food on the way home, and guess where we stopped again? Billy back, Grassy Park. See Billy, I give him more pepper shrimps again. See there? See Billy, guys. So when you come, look for this, man. Here, look for him. I'm gonna get my sip, nice sip. Yeah. So yo, Billy Grassy Park, guys. Middle Quarters, St. Elizabeth. Make sure you wanna drop in that place and check it out. Perfect pepper shrimps. 20 odd years me I come here, and you won't lose. Alright, big up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing, we out. Here goes another spot. Middle Quarters. If you guys want to stop here, I got Baldine here. That's my friend. Just look for this pretty face. And you can get some local Jamaican shrimp. So this is our local shrimps here, guys. And this is our crayfish, which is a invasive species to Jamaica. So we try to catch them out so it don't kill our local shrimps. So Baldine sell these nice peppered stuff. So come through, Middle Quarters, guys. Right by Billy's Grassy Park. She's right here every day. So you can link her. Just make sure you stay tuned and just check her. Trust me, guys. Proper products. Can't lose. Outside. Me and Rasta, we just finished working and we're getting ready to go home. I just jumped in my own car because we've been in the work truck all day. And it was an experience again, as usual. Driving around Jamaica in the country is always a beautiful experience. It's always fun. It's always joy to go around and see people's face, eat different foods, try different things, and do different things. What was one of your greatest highlights of today, Rasta?
Yeah, today. Yeah, I'll go out, we get some touch as we go to get it. So we get that done. So we get somewhere with that. Yeah.
So we went and got some touch, guys. That was a mission for today. Number one mission, to pick up some touch from St. Elizabeth and then come back to Mobe and in Dodo. What? Yo, I swear to God. Yo, people drive like idiots, like this one right here. You're trying to drive and go about your business, and these people are not driving on the road, guys. They're just driving like they're bobbleheads. They just don't drive properly. But big up yourselves anyways, everybody out there. So not everybody's a driver, not everybody's built to do the same thing. So big up yourself. Who can do it, do it. Do your thing. Big up.